Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to OP update after a very long time. So we're looking at OP on the monthly time frame right here, and it seems like the monthly is pretty much bottoming out at the moment. You do have this bullish engulfing candlestick to come lower. I think, in my opinion, you do have like 4 days to close the monthly, and you're looking pretty good right now. So if you talk about a swing trade for OP, that looks like a bottom right there, and you're looking for the next month to actually just continue to go higher. So is this your bottom? Maybe it's your bottom. So let's dive into the weekly time frame and look at that. The weekly also gives you a very strong closing as well. You can see that's a tweezer bottom right there. So I want to do a very quick Google for the tweezer bottom. So I'm just gonna write tweet. Yep, and this is how it actually looks like. So you can see the red candle, the next to it is the green candle right over there. So you do have these two patterns right over here. And I want to actually look what the daily looks like. So let's go on to the daily, and you're looking for a very, very good continuation right now. So you've actually broken out the downtrend as well. So look at that, okay? So that's your downtrend that you've broken out of. Now, my personal take is that we still need one retest, okay? So there's going to be a small retest maybe next month or in the next coming days. So let's actually draw the trend line like that. And in my opinion, it's really important to come down to 0.870, backtest 0.870, and you could actually go back up to 205. This price target, which is actually going to be an amazing price increase from there to there, like 122%. I'm personally thinking of trading this one. It looks amazing to backtest. And that's pretty much it for this update. Just a very quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.